What's up folks, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss the best 5 toolboxes according to their budget, performance, and much more. Take a moment to check out the description below for more details. At first we have the Dewalt DWST17820. If you're looking for a portable way to organize your tools, then this Dewalt toolbox is a great option. This is designed to be wheeled instead of carried. It comes with 2 wheels in the back of the box and a handle that can be adjusted, like you can lengthen it or shorten it with the push of a button. And when it comes to its security, it features 2 latches on its top to keep the lid shut during movement. So this latch will stay, even if you lift and drop the toolbox. Now inside the box, you will get only one single compartment, and a compartment on the top of the box that can fit smaller hand tools and fasteners. Next we have the Dewalt DWST17820. Like the Dewalt wheeled toolbox, this one also has 2 metal latches in the front, keeping the lid closed and the tools inside even if the toolbox is dropped. Constructed with durable 4mm structural foam walls and an integrated water seal, its case can protect contents in the toughest condition. And the same goes with its latches. Too, its durable metal latches on the front can resist rust and ensure tool case longevity. Now, coming to its compartment, it comes with a removable compartment on the inside and a big open space below it, which means you will only get one compartment to organize your tools. Next, if you are for the best portable option, then you can never go wrong with this GEARWRENCH 83151. With weighing less than 10 pounds, this GEARWRENCH toolbox will allow you to carry this product easily with all of your tools inside. For security, it provides 2 latches and a lock and key for the top half, which you can use to quickly latch the top or lock it completely. And when it comes to its organization, in total, you will get 4 storage compartments with 3 drawers and an open top to keep your tools safely and neatly. These drawers are all 2 inches in height and are on ball bearing slides, while the top area comes in 2.5 inches in height. Next is Akro-Mils ProBox. These toolboxes are made of plastic and come small in size, making them a lightweight and easy to carry storage option. It has only one removable compartment at the top of the box, and when it comes to its safety features, it offers one metal latch at the front to keep your tools secure inside, even if the box is dropped. These metal lock-tight latch won't open, so you can use it for traveling and also easily carry it with a comfortable handle. You can use it for storing small hardware and hand tools, arts and craft supplies, and more. Lastly, we have the Stalwart Heavy Duty. This Stalwart's Heavy Duty toolbox is a rigid toolbox with 2 4.2-inch nylon wheels and a fold-down handle for comfortable grip. It comes made of durable polypropylene and metal, including the wheel to keep your tools safe and secure during travel or while moving around rough construction sites. And when it comes to its compartment, you will get a total of 24 small parts compartments, 2 removable tool trays, and a deep bottom compartment, ensuring you have enough room for all your tools and supplies while on the go. It has cable hooks for keeping extension cords neat and organized, and featuring a fold-down handle with comfort grip will make taking this mobile rolling tool chest along to different work locations a breeze. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.